Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you the best way to go about finding and filtering exactly which Netflix movies that you're most likely to be interested in. It's kind of a hidden secret, but if you go over to netflix-codes.com, I'll link their website right at the top of the video description so you can access it through that link. They put everything into categories with all of these secret codes so that you can filter by specific categories. So let's say, for instance, we're interested in sports movies. So over here on the side, we click sports movies, and then that's broken down into 11 additional subcategories. So let's say we're interested in football movies. So that code is 12803. If we click on this link, it's going to take us over to netflix.com. I'm going to open up my profile here. And as we can see, it's netflix.com/browse/genre/ and then that code here is right at the end, 12803. And it takes us to the specific category of football movies. And then we can scroll down and see the ones that are popular on Netflix. And if we find one that's interesting to us, we can just click the little plus icon and it will add it to the My Netflix list. So going back to that previous page that I was just on, let's say a different category. So let's go to classic movies, which has 13 subcategories. So let's say we're interested in classic comedies. The code there is 31694. We click on that. It takes us over to netflix.com/browse/31694. So all of these different codes are associated with these secret menus on Netflix. So now we're in the classic comedies for movies. And we can, again, see the ones that are popular, the ones that are trending. Groundhog Day, one of my favorite movies, tremendous. I definitely recommend watching that one if you haven't seen it. You can just click that little plus icon, and then it will add it to the My List section. And you can do this with all these different movie categories, going through, seeing the ones that are trending, seeing the ones that are popular, adding the ones that you're interested in to your My List section. And then when you go back and watch Netflix later, all you have to do is go to the My List area, and you'll be able to find all of those movies that you had saved. So in my opinion, this is the best way to go about filtering and finding exactly which movies that you might be interested in watching. You can go to all of these different subgenres and categories and get a great idea of the best movies that are in those different options, and save yourself a bit of time when you're going through and trying to find exactly what movie that you might be interested in viewing. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. I hope this video was helpful. And again, I'll link this webpage right at the top of the video description, netflix-codes.com, so you can access all of these different codes and subcategories and finding them on Netflix.